for the audience. Clap. First song, we got Hail tonight, ladies and gentlemen, live for the RX Concert Series. We're going to get to know the story, the comeback, and a whole lot more when we return. If you have questions for the band, tweet us at RX931.
The hottest artists perform live the RX Concert Series.
Back on the show here on the RX Concert Series, we have Hail live. What up? How you guys doing? Kwentuhan lang natin to sa isang inuman, di ba? It was one drinking session on a December night wherein you did mention that, yeah, you know, we're getting back together.
Blame it on the alcohol.
We were wasted, but nawala lahat ng tama namin. Sabi mo yun.
For keeping your promise that it stays a secret.
Yeah. Sige. Then next thing you know, you see a post that you had a gig. It was a gig that, was that announced? That you had that one gig?
It wasn't. It was for our good friend Monty, who celebrated his birthday. But he kind of knew that there's a comeback happening. So we wanted to surprise him, you know, at his gig.
And then it was
and
a
it just
surprise.
went viral from there.
The online community went crazy. Twitter was thrown off. You know what I mean? It was that big. It was that big. All you know. So throughout the many years, you know, we did. Now comes the interviews and all that. We were seeing articles of it. They're saying there's that unresolved or unfinished business. What is, you know, that's, I guess, right off the bat. Ano yung unfinished business na yun?
Well, I think, you know, we still have a lot to share. As musicians, I think, you know, we're still in that state where we're not content with what we've achieved before. I think we have so much to offer still, and we're just really blessed that we have this opportunity to play again after 5 years. And
5 years ba yung breakup? It wasn't a breakup. It was more of a cool off.
Yeah.
5 years. 5
more
years.
of an LQ.
LQ. Pero with the other members, what did you guys do? The other members of the band. I know we all know Champ went on a solo career. He opened a bar, and we all know the different ventures you manage. You have your own label and all that. But how about the other members, like Paolo?
Ako recently I just got married.
No.
Yeah.
Thinking out loud. Thinking out loud.
Tapos meron na rin akong baby girl. Her name is Mumay. And then yun lang. Tapos yun lang. Sheldon.
Ako, I went to Canada for a little less than a year. And pagbalik ko, saka kami nag-usap ni Champ. Yeah.
So you left for Canada. That's how much it the emotions that when you had a cool off. Kailangan ko mag-Canada.
Ganon.
Parang ganon. So lipad ka doon, di ba? Okay. You have a new member who doesn't want to be introduced. Pero si Ian, shy type eh. Shy type. Si Ian yung nagigitara. Yeah. How about you, man? I know you grew a beard. Okay,
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh yeah, I technically got off the grid. Yeah, pretty much just stayed at home, rested.
So you didn't have, like, all you guys didn't have side bands? Walang mga ganun project?
Yeah, we kind of did. Like the three of us, like when we were on the break, kind of like a project thing.
So ano yun, parang rap metal, gano'n? Instrumental. Parang jazz band. Right? And then Champ was at a bar and he goes, you know what, man, I'm gonna sing back and then put it all together, right? Right. But yeah. So okay, cool. So we're glad all the fans of Hail are here.
Yep, thank you. It's really overwhelming.
We are very much glad. You know, so you have a song that's out, but is this going to be a new album as well altogether?
Well, to be honest, we've been working on this comeback for the last, technically 7 months now. We started working on the new materials back in June. And then, yep, we're going to be announcing what's next. in a few weeks. Right now, we're just focusing on getting back, playing, getting the groove back, and promoting the comeback single we came out with.
Okay, so we're going to hear more, but tonight you're going to be performing your classic songs?
Yep. We're going to be playing some old singles and the new one.
All right, cool. So we're going to be hearing more from Hale, ladies and gentlemen. They do got a new label out, so we'll talk to them about transitioning to a new label. What are the new things they have in store for all the fans of Hale? Ladies and gentlemen, we got Hale tonight on the RX Concert Series.
Tapos na
tonight on the Arts Concert Series, giving y'all a treat of the good stuff, plus the new songs for the Concert Show. So we'll be talking more with the band when we return. All right, we're back here on the Arts Concert Series. Your music is best served live with the audience as well, singing along and getting closer. All the monsters are here tonight. All right, we have Hale. And one of the questions, ganito ba yung kalupit, sin talagang, press con, K of Pep.ph actually asked, Hale, as a group has changed, especially because each individual member spent the past several years crafting and developing on their own. What is their impetus as a band coming back? What do they see Hale becoming for 2015 and beyond? The boy band? What? Lalim, no?
Well, I think when we were on the break, I think everybody grew personally and musically. And I think it comes with the territory with the whole experiences and lessons learned from the past 5 years. But I think the most important thing is we're still staying true to ourselves, but branching out as far as possible, music-wise.
Did people on the streets, yung kapag maglalakad kayo, tinatanong ba kayo na parang, uy, kailan ba magbabalikan? You know, like your relatives, family members, relatives, friends.
Yeah, probably friends and family. But I think they understood where we came from, or where we were coming from. So, yeah, we're just appreciative of, like, especially with, like, some of the people who supported us through highs and the lows. So, yeah, especially, I think I see some of the faces here, so, yeah.
And, you know, big changes now that you guys are back because, you know, before, when you guys are all together, groups lang di ba? Yun lang yung uso online. Now there's Instagram, there's Twitter, di ba? Groups lang, di ba? Pag
we're actually in unfamiliar territory kasi, you know, times have changed. It's not 2005 anymore. And you know, we're excited because, you know, everything is like new to us. Our first practice, our first guesting, our first recording. 5 years, you know, does that to you. For us right now, the energy is just really different. It's like, you know, we're like a new band starting over again, and you know, we don't take it for granted because we don't, you know, second chances sometimes they don't arrive every day, and for us it took 5 years for that second chance to arrive.
So this time you guys will have an Instagram account, you guys will have a Facebook, a Twitter, and all that, right? Across the board. So who'll be in control of that? Who'll be in charge? Any of you members will be like, hey...
Well, the good people of Warner Music are helping us out, and well, it's more of a collaboration. Because back then we only had that Yahoo group and
Yun lang yung uso nun eh, diba? Yun lang yung uso, diba?
And did we have a Multiply? So now it's Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Yung 15-second vids, di ba? Yung mga favorite artists nyo. It's a big deal, you know, when you guys do different covers, and you the fans get excited when they see that, you know what I mean?
Yep, and our mindset right now is just, you know, like, we're learning every day. Like what I said, the landscape has changed, and, you know, we're students of life.
You know, speaking of landscapes changing, comes the new label, Warner Music Philippines. You guys, how did that happen? Did you guys approach Warner Music, or they approach you guys? Yo, we're making a comeback.
They bribed us with with a signing contract, so who couldn't say no to that? I'm kidding.
So parang merong cars with spinning rims, and that's it. Parang parang boxing contract.
To be honest, when we were planning the comeback, we weren't really decided on signing. Because
you have your own.
Yes, I've been working with my own team, producing musicians for the past 5 years. So, you know, the idea of signing wasn't really, you know, on the table back then. But I had a brief meeting with Latch, the general manager of Warner Music, and she was actually asking for artists from Mecca Music. And then I don't know, that day, like I felt her good energy, and then I brought it up. Like, it's a secret, but you know, if you're interested, maybe we can work together. I don't know, like it was such a pleasant meeting that.
Did you sign that same day, or
No.
you had the group saying, yo?
We signed around October.
October.
So it took a few months for us to really sign, but that meeting started everything. I just, you know, I think the universe kind of told me that working with Warner Music, Nax is the way to go.
So the one of the questions as well from Pep is that do you guys feel old coming back? You know, that's one of the things that they ask. Is it different now that will you guys have an EDM album? Is that, you know, it's different now. EDM is big, bands are okay, you know what I mean? But with you guys are the biggest news for 2015, man. You know what I mean?
Well, we don't want to put that pressure on us right now. To be honest, we're just happy to be back and be playing again. More than anything, that's it. We've been working on some new materials that we're excited to share that I think are different. We've never done something like that before, so it's pretty interesting from our end and from the listeners' end.
So we're going to talk about the album, all right? The upcoming album in just a bit. We're going to hear more songs. The next two songs you guys are going to be performing.
This one is requested by the good people here inside the booth.
This is the part where you clap again. They're shy. They're all holding their cameras because they're taking a picture of the band, their videos. And what's the title of this one?
The song's called Blue Sky.
All right. This is Live Tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We have Hale on the RX Concert Series.
stars beneath the sky. Tell me your secret. And every time I wake up in the morning when it's falling down on me, I feel free. Caught me by surprise. You asked me to believe that life never had to say and feel the sorry and say we're sorry. Soon you'll see.
Tonight of the RX Concert Series, we return on the show. We're to catch them live, plus their latest song they will be performing live when we return tonight. This is the RX Concert Series.
The hottest artists perform live. The RX Concert Series.
time will heal all the wounds inside. So everything is bittersweet. Tell me why. Flame is burning bright to deep inside. Don't forget me, 'cause I still see you underneath it all, and I'll be just fine. Holding on, I feel the urges here a while ago. But do I see your silhouette in every corner? Car turned out to be a sweet downfall. Can't forget everything. Fate and destiny arise once more. Meant to be, please let it be. It's now or never. World has changed, but I can't seem to know. No sense, not to me, 'cause I still see you underneath it all, and I'll be just fine. Holding on, holding on, holding on, holding on. Oh, raise me up, oh, bring me down. Take me where I belong. Oh, truth be told, please save me now, 'cause I am lost without you. 'Cause I still see you underneath it all, and I'll be just fine. Holding on.
live tonight. They have performed 6 songs so far, the classics. We are excited for the upcoming album. Congratulations to the band, to the label. Congratulations. But, these reunions won't happen not only with you guys, but, there's family members. There are people that you guys want to thank. Go ahead.
Of course. First things first, we want to thank all the people who went here on a Monday night. We really appreciate you guys coming over. Bro, thank you, Rigo. We've been friends for a long time. Actually, saw our photo from 2005 when you guys awarded us best a song of the year, and it just put things in perspective how long we've been in the industry and how much we've created relationships with people. So appreciate all the support, all the people from Monster, RX 93.1. Thank you. Our families and friends. Thank you. We have a very special friend here with us tonight.
I-intro dapat nga kanina, Ian and Hale. Pero nahiya si Ian.
Ian Navarroza, he is part of the team, so he's more of a ninja. But thank you, Ian.
I'd like to thank Angie from the other side. So,
The technicians, the tech team. Uy, siya!
Sa mami at daddy ko, sana nakikinig kayo. Kay Nani, pabati daw siya. And to all my friends, thank you for tuning in. And hope you check us out sa iba pang mga gigs.
Si Ian talaga yung kumakanta. Si Champ nakaupo lang sa gilid.
First of all, hi to my little girl Zoe, who I hope he's listening back home. And syempre yung mga tao sa Nail Tropics, hello. Nail Tropics Podium, saka mom and dad, hello. And yung wife ko nandito.
Sa nakikinig sa taga Triton's Marketing, yeah. Sa family ko, kay mama, kay papa, sa mom-in-law ko and dad-in-law ko, nakikinig sila. Sa ECS Construction, kay Chong Sambeli, hello. Sa wife ko, nakikinig siya ngayon. Hi, mahal. I love you. Sa mga friends na nakikinig din ngayon from Victory Pioneer, hello. Ayun.
Okay, Tim, going back to social media, we have our first batch of accounts. Follow us on Twitter. It's Hale_music. On Instagram, it's Hale_music. And on Facebook, it's facebook.com/HaleMusic. And you can get a copy of our comeback single "See You" on Spotify, iTunes. And if you want to get the ring back rather, you can just text the letter U and send to 2370 for Globe and 2447 for Smart subscribers. Hello to Jamie and Tita Joy. I'm excited to get my cupcakes. And all the healers out there. Yeah, we love you so much. And you know what they say? Healers gonna hail. And we are Hale, and we are Monsters.
Yeah, joining us here tonight. The new album, what are the surprises? Is there any guest appearances by anyone? Is it all, what are the surprises that we're going to be... Oh, yeah, it's a surprise, but can you give us a clue of what's in store for the new album with the new label?
With the new album, we kept it in-house, but I think the sound is different in a good way, because I think it grew with us. So hopefully, as the songs go I hope everybody likes it. So
Expected release date. Meron na ba? Meron ng something to look forward to?
We will be updating everyone for that. We're still, to be honest, we have a lot of catching up to do with just gigs, and we're still a work in progress live wise. So it's a day-to-day basis for us. We're constantly practicing, constantly just promoting, and we're, as much as we want to talk about the new album that's coming out, it's better we keep it a secret for now.
Or else you guys have to shoot us, right?
No, but it's really, it's something we're very proud of. We've worked on that album for 6 months, the longest we've ever worked on something. So it should be something worth expecting.
So off of the new album, the title of the album, wala pang title? Or may title na rin?
Better not say it.
Not yet, not yet. Itong mga taga-Warner na to, ayaw pong sabihin eh.
There's a police right beside me, so like,
no, not allowed. So, but this is the happiest news for OPM, for the band scene. We know that Kamikaze will be disbanding by 2015. And how did you guys feel about that when you heard the news?
We're very good friends with them. I actually haven't spoken with Jay, but I think it's just right we do a show together. Hopefully soon at 12 Monkeys.
So may boom! Yun na yun!
I plugged it.
So thank you. Shows, where can I catch you guys?
What day is today?
Monday.
Tomorrow we'll be at UP Fair. And then on Friday we'll be in LaSalle, Taft. And then on Saturday we have a show at Robinson's Magnolia. And then right after we're going to be having a special show at 12 Monkeys. That's it. The rest I can't really remember. But we do post our gig skeds on our social media accounts, so please follow us.
So once again, Hale_music.
Yes.
All right, so there you go. Follow Instagram, Twitter. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everybody, the band, thank you for dropping by. Thank you,
you,
the audience, the monsters that are here in the building. Thank you. We'll leave you with our latest single, a new one to be exact. This one's called See You. What's this one? What's the story behind this song?
Wait, so we just sang See You. That was the
that was See You. Yeah. Sorry, okay. Lahat dito, nagsasayawan sa likod ko eh.
Well, it's a really old song that just felt right releasing at this point in time. So that's it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This is Hale, live tonight, the Arch Concert Series. Take me as you are, push me I'm freezing in the sun, I'm burning in the sun. Say
all that I gotta be, all that I see, and all that I need is time to reach life you gave me the day you said goodnight.
The RX Concert Series, the premier live musical variety program on radio. Winner of the KBP